Guys, did you know that you can set a GIF as your profile picture on Discord? Let me show you how easy it is to do so. So all you have to do, guys, is simply click the settings gear on the lower left hand side once you're in your Discord account. Then click on profile and scroll down a bit and you'll have the option that says change avatar. Once you click on that, guys, you have the option for GIFs. You can choose a GIF by simply clicking on the GIF option. Now keep in mind that in order to use GIFs, you want to ensure that you have the Nitro access, right? So as you can see here, it says animate your avatar with Nitro. So you will need to get this and you can start for free as well. So you can go ahead and choose whichever option you want. So let's choose, for example, awesome. I can choose something from here. So if I want to choose this, let's say Donald Trump here, I can select this. And once I select this, I can go ahead and I can adjust it the way I want. And as you can see here, I can apply this. But once I apply this, guys, you will need to ensure that you start Nitro trial and start use it for free. You can try for 1 month for free and you can easily go ahead and apply GIFs as your profile picture. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Once you select that, go ahead and click on the save changes and the GIF will be now shown as your profile picture.